Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well as always. For today's video, as you can see here, we are going to be trying the BTartbox nails, and I was really excited when they reached out to me to try their products because, as you guys know, I do always try to keep a stash of press-on nails just in case of nail emergencies and I don't have my nails done, or if I really just don't have time to sit for 5 hours to do my nails. So I am really excited to try these products out. So getting into some of our goodies, here we have the builder gel and the top coat. And I'm a huge fan of putting builder gel on top of press-on nails. I just feel like it's that extra step that just makes the press-on nails really like salon quality. And of course, we have our cute little UV lamp with some brush on nail glue. I really love the brush on nail glue. It's like less mess. And of course, we have our little nail file. So I'm going to be applying the press on nails to my right hand. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my nail by buffing it lightly. You can use this little nail filer, but I just reached for my little nail buffer. And once I'm done buffing my nail, I am going to just use some 91% isopropyl alcohol just to dehydrate my nail. You can use any dehydrator that you want to, but the alcohol works just fine for me. Now that our nails are all prepped, we are ready to go ahead and size these out. These are the long square nails in pink, and they are just so beautiful. There's really nothing like a classic French tip. So they do have different types of designs that you can choose from, different colors, a lot of options, which is super helpful, especially when you don't have that extra 4 to 5 hours to add designs to your nails when you are doing them. So here is what they look like. They are so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and size these out, making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall, and they feel super durable. So I feel like if I were to try to bend them, I would actually hurt myself. They are just such good quality. So before we flash cure these press-on nails, I am going to go ahead and take a thin layer of this glue and brush it on my nail. Now you don't want to cure this step. It's just recommended to do this if you really want your press-on nails to last long. Now we are ready to apply our press-on nail. So with this glue, it really is just like Gel X. So I'm really focusing on putting the glue towards the end and then more so towards the center of the nail. And you want to make sure you don't put too much gel on here. That way you can ensure that it does cure properly. Now I am just going to cure this for about 15 seconds just to flash cure them and get them on. And then I'll be curing each finger under this little nail lamp for about 60 seconds. If you want to do it a little bit longer for 120 seconds, you can just click it back on because it does run in 60-second increments. So I'm really just applying these at a 45-degree angle, making sure that that glue at least makes it to the free edge of my nail. If the glue starts to seep out a little bit, I recommend like sliding the nail off your nail just to make sure that nothing is getting on your skin, and then trying to put a little less glue on there, and just make sure that you do have enough pressure when flash curing these, that way you don't get any bubbles. Once the nails are fully cured, I am just taking some alcohol and wiping down that nail, especially because I don't really plan on doing any extra designs for these nails in particular. But of course, if you wanted to add some chrome or little rhinestones, you could always do that just to kind of spice up your nails a little bit. But I really just wanted this classic French tip. So now I will be applying a thin layer of this builder gel, and then I'm going to cure for about 60 seconds. And if you haven't worked with builder gel before, it is on the thicker side. So the reason I'm doing a thin layer is just to make sure that I have full control over the product. And definitely before you cure these, make sure that none of it is on your skin. So I'm going to continue to do this and then cure my nails for about 60 seconds. And here we have the results. They were kind enough to provide me with a 10% off discount code if you guys are interested in trying out BTartbox nails. I am so in love, and thank you guys so much for watching this quick little tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.